Here's what you need to know about the difference between an MC number and a DOT number. Fast, clear, and no fluff. So you're probably asking yourself, why do I need these numbers and what's the big difference? Let's get into it. First up, the DOT number. If you're diving into the world of trucking or operating a commercial vehicle in the U.S., you'll need this one for sure. The Department of Transportation, or DOT, requires it for safety, monitoring, and compliance. Think of it like your car's license plate, but specifically for your business to ensure you're following safety regulations. It's important, but not too tricky to get your head around. Now on to the MC number. This one's all about operating authority. If you're planning to haul goods for others across state lines, you'll need an MC number. It's your ticket to legally moving freight across different states and shows you're authorized to carry out interstate commerce. It's like being in the big leagues of trucking. Here's another key difference. The DOT number is all about safety and accountability, tracking things like inspections, driver records, and accident reports, while the MC number focuses on your business operations. The MC authority determines what type of cargo you can transport and what kind of insurance coverage you're required to carry. So in short, one monitors how you drive, and the other determines what and where you can haul. Both numbers serve their purposes and have their own requirements. A handy tip. If you only operate within one state, you might not need the MC number, but the DOT number is usually a must-have. But hey, paperwork can be a pain, right? That's where we come in. Moving authority can help you make sense of it all without the headaches. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know which ones I need? It depends on your business. Are you staying in state, or do you have dreams of crossing state lines with those big loads? That answer will guide you. And remember, just because these numbers sound similar, they play very different roles in trucking. So if you're getting the feeling that handling this on your own is like trying to unravel a puzzle, don't stress. It's what we're here for, to make your life easier so you can focus on driving those miles. So with all that said, if you're ready to hit the road and want to make sure you've got all your legal ducks in a row, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Moving Authority. We've got your back, and we're here to smooth out the bumps on your road to success. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Drop us a comment below if you've got any questions or if there's a topic you'd love us to cover next. Safe travels out there, and as always, happy trucking!
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.